In 2015, the University of Maryland, Baltimore opened its UMB Community Engagement Center to deepen our relationships with our closest neighbors. Since opening, we've logged over 40,000 neighborhood visits for health, employment, legal, and educational services, and most importantly, fun community events and activities.
I like coming to the CNC because we like doing our homework after we get out of school.
Another reason why I like to come is because the computer lab. Just straight up the computer lab.
This year, we're expanding our outreach with our neighbors by building a new, renovated community engagement center that will increase our partnership with nearby residents. As the new CEC becomes a reality, we invite you to share in our vision for what this new building can mean for us and the West Baltimore community.
Your gift can help us pave the brick line entrance into the new building, Welcome Way. Today, February 19th, bricks and pavers are 50% off. You can inscribe the brick with the message of your choice, or you can donate your inscription to the children, the families, or the community members that will be using the new CEC. Together we can be one cohesive community.